at our foremost Nigerian Defense Academy. We have invited the Commandant to come and explain things to us and also to show us how such events would never ever happen again to our dear country. Gentlemen of the press, as you are aware, these are very sensitive security issues. We would allow the chairman just have a short opening remark, and then we will kindly urge you to please leave so that we can handle this sensitive matter behind closed doors. As you are aware, our enemies are out there watching everything we do. So we must always also live up to the expectation by protecting our dear armed forces. I thank you and urge for your kind cooperation in the above regard. I thank you all. So, Commandant, you can please give us a brief remark so that the press can...
The Chairman, House Committee on Defense, and other House members here present, ladies and gentlemen of the...
Sorry, I need to do introduction of my esteemed members, otherwise they will impeach me.
Mr. Chairman, my honorable colleagues,
the Chairman, House Committee on Defense, and other honorable members of this esteemed committee, I am Major General YUSUF, the Commandant, Nigerian Defense Academy. As you must have been aware, I assumed command of the Academy on the 9th of July this year, and barely 6 weeks later, this unfortunate incident occurred. I am really delighted to be given this opportunity to be here to shed light about the occurrence and perhaps more importantly, the ongoing efforts that we are making to recover the abducted officer, and also the measures that the Academy is currently placing to ensure that this does not ever occur again. At this point, I would like to also register my deep appreciation and to inform the House as well that the day this incident occurred, the Chief of Defense Staff visited the Academy the same day. The Chief of Army Staff visited 3 days later.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
By the following week, all the service chiefs and the Chief of Defense Staff were all in the Academy just to commiserate with the academic community and also to get more information on what the Academy is doing to ensure that this incident does not occur again. Many senior retired and serving military officers have called. They have also visited the Academy because the Academy is very dear not only to the military but to Nigeria as a whole. I also want to appreciate you for accepting that I make this presentation this morning because I'm scheduled to travel to Owerri by 11 o'clock in order to attend the burial of Flight Lieutenant Okoronko, who is from Abia State, from Bende local government. Only on Saturday, I attended the burial of Lieutenant Commander Awolo, who also died as a result of that unfortunate incident. So I appreciate you coming early, giving me this opportunity so I could attend this burial. And like the chairman has said, the content I have for this presentation, because I came with a presentation so that you can see the visuals. But you all know this is classified. So the press, I'm sure you appreciate this. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It resumed July 9th, and the incident happened a couple of weeks after it resumed. But nevertheless, the buck stops at your table. So we're going to listen to how they're going to find the missing soldier and efforts that will be made to ensure that such things never happen again. So gentlemen of the press, we had an agreement, so I hope, thank you. We had very frank discussions with the general. The size of the NDA is hugely large, and efforts are making that this occurrence shall never happen again. I'm also assured by his contribution and the measures they've put into place that this will never happen again. It's an unfortunate incident that happened, but Nigerians should be rest assured that NDA is safe and other military formations along that area has been duly fortified. We're still expecting further reports from them. We've had them to come up with some other documents and further and better particulars so that we can also see and reassess. But the CDS, the COAS, and himself, the battle-tested officers, this caught them at a very vulnerable time. But like I said earlier, it will be a thing of the past.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.